Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Talgan, and today we're going to be doing a Sketch with Me episode. It's another flower doodle. It's a similar design to my other line of floral doodles, which was a very popular video. This design is going to be much looser and more flowy. The materials I'm using are a piece of paper or sketchbook, an eraser, a pencil, and a black fineliner pen. So I started this doodle with an S-curve line as shown, and then I drew 2 leaves at the base of this doodle. I then created 3 flowers that had 4 petals each. And I had just sketched in a circle for the general shape of those flowers first, so 3 circles, and within that I created the flowers. The next item I drew was a leaf, and I started that with an S curve, and then slightly below and to the side of it I did a C curve, and I drew the same on the opposite side of that leaf. And I connected those 2 curves with a straight line to make a jagged edge in the leaf. So to start that leaf, there's a straight line, then an S curve, C curve right to the side and below it, and then I join the S curve and the C curve together with a line, and then I do the same thing on the opposite side of the leaf. Then I'm making another 2 round circles with the 4 petaled flowers within them. Then another simple flower and the same type of leaf right after that. And then another simple flower after that. I tried to do just a lot of simple, easy flowers and shapes just to make this a clean, flowery doodle. And then I just finished off the pencil sketch with a few more leaves and a couple flowers that are beginning to bud. And once the pencil sketch was done, then I drew over the lines with the permanent black fineliner pen. And with some of the lines, I'm not sticking exactly to what the pencil lines were. I sort of make adjustments as I go along just to make the composition a little bit better. And also to maybe make the line work a little bit better for the doodle. So I'm going to let you finish watching me ink this doodle and maybe enjoy the music, and I'll get back to you towards the end of the inking process. I really like how this doodle turned out. It's so much freer and looser than my other line of floral doodles. If you've seen that video, it's a straight line going up and down, which would be great for like a square border kind of drawing or layout. This one is much more free and flowy and looser. You could still use something like this for a border, or it could be the main focus in a drawing or painting. So the last step for this would be to take your eraser, erase all the pencil lines so you have a clean drawing at the end of the process. And here is the completed doodle. As I said, I really enjoyed doing this one, and I hope you did too. If you'd like to see another video similar to this doodle, be sure to check out my next video. It will be another line of floral doodles. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, or subscribe. It supports my channel in a big way, and I do appreciate your support and your interaction. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.